What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We're gonna go over Baby Doge today, talking about some technicals and what we got coming up next for Baby Doge. So, anyways, just hit that like button, subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. Also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marcellus for 25% off. And also, if you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the MEXC Global link in the description. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. So let's go straight over Baby Doge, though. So first thing I want to talk about is yesterday I mentioned how Baby Doge was going to be going down. It did go down very briefly. We went below the 2.2 area a little bit. We went down to pretty much 2.230, and we almost immediately came back here on an uptrend. So what we see now with Baby Doge is now we're getting rejected again. So I'm seeing that this is now another rejection point. And you can also see over here, this high area, it looks like the highs are getting a little bit lower. So this may lead us down to this next red area. And the next red area will pretty much be our next area of resistance. And obviously right now it'd be like support. But literally, like if we continue to go down, then Baby Doge is going to try to break above this area again. If it tries to do that, that's going to be our resistance. So if we keep trending downwards, like on this pattern that we're going down now, we're probably going to see ourselves around 22 again, like how we did it back here. But literally, this is just short-term movements. Like short-term movements really don't matter. So if we pull back for the short term, it really doesn't matter. And where Baby Doge is right now, we're actually doing fairly well. Like Baby Doge has been doing like less than what a lot of other cryptos have been doing. I'll be honest there. But everything's more on a sideways moving pattern today, and really for the week. So you can even see Bitcoin for the week, 2.9% up. Like that's not much, and up 1.6% for the last 24 hours. So like when you look at everything, everything's pretty much sideways right now. So this is a key point, a key signal that we're about to get huge growth in the market like soon. So whether it be whether it's going to be another upside move or downside move, nobody knows. But it's seeming like we may have another uptrend coming. Now, what I like to do here is going over Bitcoin as I'm also going over Baby Doge just to kind of show how they correlate, just to kind of show like where we're going next with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin really is ruling the whole crypto market. And I've been doing these technicals on Bitcoin as well as showing Baby Doge. So something I've actually noticed here in Bitcoin. Let me first get all these drawings off because I know it probably looks really messy. So let's just get all these drawings for Bitcoin off. Now, what I do notice here with Bitcoin is the bulls. Like you can see, it's pretty bullish right now. It's kind of looking bullish because you can even look since yesterday. We're looking at the 15-minute chart. Remember, this is the short-term chart. But looking at it from yesterday, we had nice growth. And literally, we would trade sideways like over here, and then we would pump coming out of that sideways trading movement. And then we would trade sideways for a little bit longer. Then we would pump coming out of that sideways trading movement. So in theory, tomorrow could be the same pattern. So if we follow the same pattern that we just now did in this area and this area here, then this third one right here would be another pump to the upside. So let me show you what this third area would look like. Pretty much trade here to the sideways on a sideways moving pattern. Let me go ahead and get this. So yeah, it would trade here sideways, and then around here, you would probably see it pump to this next red bar. This next red bar would be our next resistance for Bitcoin. So that would bring us up to about $42,000 in Bitcoin. So that's probably what we're going to end up seeing next year, because it's literally exactly how we did back here. Traded sideways, went pumped, traded sideways and pumped. And now the third one, we can trade sideways again and then pump again. So we may see this happening tomorrow. So hopefully it does, because then that'll be pretty good. It'll be pretty bullish for the overall crypto market. You can see the 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 80% here. So it's pretty much showing that Baby Doge is 80% bullish. And remember, this is the 15-minute chart, the 15M chart. It's pretty short-term chart. So I don't know how credible you want to deem this as, because it is a short-term chart. But if you look at the 4-hour chart, kind of getting a similar bullish pattern here. So you can even see it here. Like it's even more obvious on this one. Like you can see huge green candlesticks sideways, huge green candlesticks sideways. The next one in theory will be smaller, and that is going to be the one that triggers the pullback, because you can see this green candlestick here, very large. But then this one over here is like a medium size. So in theory, this third one will probably be a shorter one, bringing us up to about $42,000, somewhere in this $42,000 range. And then that's when you're going to see the pullback coming back down. Now, this is like in the scenario of another bull trap leading us down further, because I still think that $35,000 could happen if we keep getting these bull traps. Like we literally keep getting bull traps, and it's been happening for a while. It's literally been happening since January. We've been getting bull trapped. Like it would pump, bull trap, pump, bull trap, pump. Let's see if we get another bull trap. But let's take off the indicators. So you can kind of see like the lows are starting to get higher and the highs are starting to get higher. So this could not be a bull. It might not even be a bull trap. Like the lowest that we got way back here in January was 35K. So it seems like every time we get a pullback, those lows, they're always higher, and then the highs are always lower. So you can even see right here, like this area here, 34K, but it didn't go below that. It didn't go below 33K, but it didn't go below 33K. It went to 34K around this time in February. And then again, over here inside of March, it went to 37K. And now this time we went down to 39K, 38K really, but 39K pretty much. So then the next time we have that pullback, probably it will only bring us down to about 40K. And you're probably going to see something like this continuing to happen. So you're even seeing the highs. The highs are becoming higher, higher, and higher. So we actually may see a pump coming here for Bitcoin. And why this matters for Baby Doge is obviously because everything's following Bitcoin. You just see this whole area here is just so much like resistance for that whole area. So hopefully Baby Doge can break out. Hopefully Bitcoin can break out. So then everything else can break out. But kind of looking over here at the 4-hour chart for Baby Doge and comparing it to how Bitcoin is looking, Baby Doge is always going to do like a smaller move to the downside and then larger move to the upside, or vice versa. But right now, we're going to see what Baby Doge, like we just now got rejected at that 2-4 area. So we may see a little bit of a pullback. I know I mentioned this yesterday, but just to kind of mention it again today, we could see another pullback before actual pump inside of Baby Doge. So hopefully this can happen very soon, but Bitcoin is really the one that you want to be following when you're looking out for what's coming next inside of Baby Doge, because Bitcoin is like the telltale for all of the cryptos. Now, we're almost at 1.6 million holders. That's pretty good. Volume is pretty low right now, 7.8 million. It's been pretty low for a while, but still is better than zero. And then we have 8.96 trillion burned, and we've lost $30,000 out of Baby Doge whales today in total. And then over here, you can see that the Baby Doge NFTs are actually inside creation. So on the, or not in creation, they're about to be released, but over here you can see the NFC mint date is going to be on 420. So yeah, you already know it's on 420. So tomorrow we actually might see a pump for Baby Doge. So despite all the technicals showing that we may be getting rejected here, all this could be invalidated by tomorrow. But the reason why I didn't just start off the video saying we're going to pump tomorrow with this, because it's really only NFT minting, which it is pretty big for us, but I'm not sure if it's going to be like something that makes us pump huge. So I'm not just going to go with that, but we definitely could pump, and then all this technicals would be invalidated. But if we don't pump, then this is definitely going to happen. We're going to see that pullback happen again. But hopefully we pump, because then we're going to be going up huge. Now, you can even see over here on OpenSea, Baby Doge is verified on OpenSea. So that's actually pretty big for us too. So here is the official Baby Doge page on OpenSea here. So that's pretty cool. And you can see they have all these different NFTs, like 10,000 of them. It's a lot. So they're going to be making a lot of money off that. But it's all going to pretty much be going to charity. So that's another good thing that Baby Doge is doing. So anyways, on June 1st, this is a pretty fun fact. A whole 300 trillion, and right now 300 trillion is worth $690,000, but on June 1st 300 trillion was worth $350. So that's a huge difference right there, turning $350 to $690,000. And that is really what happens when you hold for the long term, because if you're not holding for a long time, you're getting in, you're getting out, you're missing out on these type of gains. Now, obviously, these type of gains, they already happened. So most likely it's not going to be as significant as that. You're not just going to turn $350 to $690,000. It's just not going to happen. But you can turn $350,000 to $13,000. So that type of gain is still possible in baby Doge. You're just going to need more capital in order to get more gains this time around. So I'm gonna kind of do a little bit of a demonstration here to show you. So let's just say $1,000, because I think if you're getting in on a baby Doge, $1,000 is a fairly good amount for you to put in. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Just kind of my opinion here. Multiply that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 30, and I actually meant to divide. But yeah, $1,000 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 30, and you get 411 billion baby Doge. So with 411 billion baby Doge, multiply it by our target price of 6Z1, which would bring us somewhere around 15 billion market cap. It'd be like 200, I don't know, 15 billion, 20 billion market cap, somewhere around there. We'll do that math as well. But just to kind of show you how things could go for you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around that market cap, that would be $41,000. $1,000 turned 41,000. That's still very significant. So, like I said, we're going to be showing the market cap too. And remember, we're getting these 5 quadrillion, 3 quadrillion, 4 quadrillion manual burns every single month. So, what we're looking at here is a 231 quadrillion market cap. I predict by maybe the end of the year, let's just say if we keep doing it let's just be modest, not even do the full 5 quadrillion. Let's just say it's 3 quadrillion. So if we did 3 quadrillion for till the end of the year, and we're already like 4 months into the year, so you can just do 12 minus 4 being 8. So multiply that by 8 months. So that'd be 24 quadrillion coins that you can just knock out the circulating supply. So it's really not 231 quadrillion. Really, it is about knock out a little bit more. I had a little bit of a stutter there. So anyways, let's go over here and take our circulating supply and paste it there. So 224 quadrillion would be the new circulating supply, and it's probably not going to let me do the backspace here. I probably have to go all the way back. So let's just go over here and type in 224 quadrillion, since I'm not going to be able to do that. So million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. Multiply that circulating supply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6Z1. That would bring us to 22.4 billion market cap. So at a 22.4 billion market cap, with your $1,000, that would be $41,000 at 6Z1, which is 6 zeros and a 1. So that's pretty significant. That's a pretty significant gain right there. So I'm definitely pretty excited for what Baby Doge can do inside the near future. Now, just think about if you get even more money into Baby Doge. Let's just think like $4,000. If you took $4,000 into Baby Doge and then bought at the current price, so you would just take $4,000 and you would go ahead and divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 2, 7. That'd give you 1.648 Baby Doge. And then you could just take that and then multiply that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6Z1, which would be $164,000. So you can see how much more significant that is when you get more money inside Baby Doge. So I have somewhere around $4,500 or something like that dollars in Baby Doge. So I'm gonna be pretty good I'm gonna be set when we get this 61, and that's really what I'm waiting for. I want to see my money go all the way up there, $100-something thousand. I'm not selling until I see that. So that's my projection here with Baby Doge. Remember, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I know you're probably tired of hearing that, but I gotta say that because a lot of people will take this as financial advice and they'll be like, "Oh, you said Baby Doge was about to pump it. I put money in it. I'm down. You made me lose money." Like, no, that's not how. Like, this is crypto. It goes up, it goes down. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving anyone financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy Baby Doge. I'm not telling you to sell Baby Doge. I'm just talking about what I believe Baby Doge has the potential to do. So this is my personal opinion. So, anyways, I just had to say that because a lot of people will start getting in comments talking about you made me buy Baby Doge. I did not put no stuff to your head. I did not put a gun in your head and be like, look, buy Baby Doge. I didn't do it. I just said I'm buying Baby Doge. So this is what I'm doing. And you can do it as well. But like I said, it's risky investing in any crypto. But I think Baby Doge has that potential. But anyways, if we were to get the 6Z1, we would need to do multiple things. 1, we would need to get major listings. 2, we would need to continue to do our utilities. And 3, we would need the community to continue to grow. And with 4, we would need that volume to come in. And all of this would be achieved by one thing, and that is major listings from Binance to Coinbase to Crypto.com. All it takes is the listings for us to continue to grow, and grow. Literally, that's all it takes. If we get Binance, it's over. We're getting 61, 100%. Like, there's no doubt about it if we get listed to Binance. Now, that would be pretty hard, but we still have the possibility to get listed to Binance, to crypto.com, to Coinbase, all this other stuff. So that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to talk about this, do some math, and show you all the potential of where we're going to be at inside Baby Doge. But in the comments, let me know if you would like a math specific video about, like different areas or like different amounts of money you would need to have a certain amount of money in Baby Doge at 61, or just any kind of math. Just let me know what you all want me to do with that, because I do like doing the math for Baby Doge, and I know some people probably don't. So I want to know what your opinions are. Do you want to have a whole math video where we talk about circulating supply, where we talk about liquidity inside of Baby Doge, where we talk about just everything, where the money is coming from, why 56 trillion Baby Doge just now left to liquidity, why 14 trillion just now went into the contract? We could talk about all this if you all want. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. Also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out that MEXC Global link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.